Hello, my name is Kevin Bousquet. Welcome to the Private Eye Center. I am a licensed private investigator with the Corpa Group, Inc. I'm going to be discussing with you when it is that you should consider hiring a private investigator. One of the biggest problems that I find in my career is that people fail to consult a lawyer first prior to hiring a private investigator. If you have a particular problem and that you think that you're going to need a private investigator, the first question that you should be asking yourself is, will this matter either now or later ultimately end up in court? If you answer yes to this question, the first person that you should be consulting is a lawyer and not that of running to the Yellow Pages to hire the first private investigator who has the biggest ad. The second thing is, regardless of where you go in the province or in the state or wherever you live, virtually one thing that is going to be consistent when it comes to hiring private investigators is that private investigator is going to be required to be licensed and have the appropriate bonding and insurance. Now, why is this important? Rules of evidence are the same wherever you go, in that any evidence must be obtained lawfully in order that it can be used in a court of law. This could mean that if you hire someone to do an investigation for you, an example, a retired cop who is not licensed but may have investigative experience, when the matter gets to court, it could be argued that the investigation was considered to be not conducted lawfully, and therefore any of the evidence that the private investigator has obtained for you could be deemed inadmissible. My name is Kevin Bousquet, and you've been watching the Private Eye Center.